Chevy Avalanche '04. Customer complaint. Put it in park. It rolls back, rolls forward, won't stay in park. Number two, it's in the wrong gear. In this vehicle, if you look at this transfer case up here, and if you look right up here, you see a very little hole right there, right here. There's a part in there that wears the inside out. Put a hole in there, the fluid comes out, and as it come out, transfer case get dry and things start to tear up inside. If you look at the drive shaft here, if you shake it, let me see, I got this light. If you shake it up and it's loose like that, that means that it's bad. And I'm going to pull it out and we're going to look at this drive shaft here. If you look at that drive shaft, you'll see this side here has been worn down. It's supposed to be the same as this. It has chewed the inside out. There's a gap here because the bushing wasn't getting any oil here. So you'll have to change this whole transfer case, but there's a part inside that needs to be fixed if you want it to have longevity. If you put another one, a good used one in, it eventually will do the exact same thing, and this hole would develop. You will be driving. Here's another one right there. There's another hole right there too. So you got right here, there's a hole, and you got right here. It would develop, it would leak out, and you will have a problem. So if I put another one in, I'm gonna take this apart and I'm gonna repair something inside so that this can't happen for a while. I mean, maybe never again. But you're gonna need to get this yoke replaced right there, or you're gonna have to get another drive shaft, and you're going to have to replace this transfer case. Probably not worth rebuilding, because everything is going to be torn up for lack of oil. So let's tell the customer about this here.